Assalamu alaikum everyone. We are stuck with BONK in a place where it's not really kind of cool to see the prices. And let's get into the 4-hour time frame today and check if BONK has anything interesting here. So right now, it just seems like you made a pump, you made a breakout, you're coming down and you're probably just consolidating. And the plan is to actually come and retest the broken resistance that you have. Now, there's one thing I've told you before in the last videos as well, that if a very big fake out happens, I mean, this would be absolutely mind-boggling, because a fake out like this has probably never happened in a long time. Okay, when you have fake outs. Now, number one is maybe Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is at 50,000, and I kind of think that this is where we might actually start to fall down. I still have a bad feeling about Bitcoin though. So Bitcoin is now kind of breaking up here, and if Bitcoin ends up, what if Bitcoin doesn't really make a successful retest down at 47,964 and probably starts to drop inside and go down? What if that happens, right? Because yes, you have break. If you do retest, that's amazing. Now, depending on how Bitcoin may retest, right? BONK may do the same. If Bitcoin is coming down for that retest, we may see BONK actually coming down. And if Bitcoin ends up failing and making a fake out and drops down, maybe that's how BONK may come down as well and make a very big trap in here. So I'm actually just afraid of a trap at this point of time. And it sounds a little bit funny. It's actually very tiring to say how bad I still feel. I'm not a perma bear or anything like that, but yeah, there are some certain reasons why we do feel this way. So that's all for this BONK update at the moment, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.